Okay, ready, everybody? One,
Way to smile, Maddie.
Matt.
Matthew.
Come on now.
Just
One, two, three, smile.
Go picture, buddy.
With sister. We got one. That's okay. We got one.
Okay.
We can keep going.
All right. All right.
I told you he's gonna be impossible. So
That's all right.
as long as everyone else has fun, just let him
And
be.
you know what? I think you'll like
We're
it.
recording this, so
Yeah.
he's gonna watch this in 20 years.
Yeah.
This is the first game over here.
Go follow him. Go follow.
Hey guys, let's go to the carnival.
Maybe Katie could go first and show Maddie and
Katie, you want to go first?
how to do it. Okay, here's the balls. And you gotta knock, if you get no cans, you get a little prize. You get bigger prizes if you get more.
You can stand right by sister, buddy.
Come on right here, honey.
Yeah,
You can try
yeah,
too.
you can try it too,
Watch
buddy.
sister.
Watch your sister.
Watch what she does. Oh, you
Try it again.
can, you can pick one of these.
Put it in your bag.
Put it in your bag. Okay.
Maddie's turn.
Maddie's turn.
Okay, Matt.
Try to knock them all down.
Matt, go ahead and throw him out there.
Want to try, bud?
Let Brooke
Okay,
go next.
let's
Let Brooke go next.
Brooke
Go ahead,
go.
Brooke.
Come up a little closer.
Yeah, I was gonna say, get her a little closer.
Brookie, use your other hand.
Knock it down.
Oh, that's right.
You get a small prize, honey.
Pick a prize.
Brookie, pick a prize.
Okay, Matt, your turn.
Matt and I'll throw together. You ready, Matt?
Your flute bag.
Oh,
Ready,
Very
Matt?
nice.
Ready?
you're a good thrower. Wait till Brooke
Here,
moves a little bit.
Get them all, Maddie. He can come
Ready?
up closer.
Ready?
Brookie, look out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, Maddie!
Good job, bud.
Woo! Give me 5. He cries. All right, what do you want?
Pick a prize.
You want a
This
prize?
one's different. Let's see. Fish. Okay, do you like it? You'll get another one too.
There you go.
Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Someone else try again.
Okay, Peyton, where's your
Peyton
Your
goes.
turn again.
Peyton, try again. Put your bag
There's
down.
more
So you can
balls,
take a
too.
good-
Here's
yeah,
one for
yeah,
you to
once
throw.
go over so she can get
sorry.
one.
Move over so Katie can get a good shot.
Come on, Maddie,
Be
Matt.
careful now, Pete.
Oh, good try, honey.
Hey, Matt.
Side hill. Go ahead, honey.
Brian. Oh, don't go in there.
Yeah, we
Well,
did.
you,
Yeah.
we have to get the balls.
Okay,
when
I'll get it.
Brookie,
Okay.
no, Brookie.
Whoa!
Nice job.
Good job.
Whoa!
What did you
You
get?
gotta try. You gotta try to win.
And you can get one, honey.
Ooh,
you
put it in
can,
your bag,
Here, you
huh?
take it first, and then you can try again. You may have one. Which color would you like? What color?
Brookie, this way. Grandpa's
try
gonna
it
set him
again?
up.
Okay, back up.
Okay,
Okay, you can try again. Back up just a
There you
bit.
go.
Okay, go ahead.
You want to try, Maddie, so you can get one of those?
Okay, Maddie wants to do it now.
Okay, try, Maddie.
Okay, Matt.
Oh, here's another one. Here's the
Here you
one.
go, Matt.
Wait, don't hit Brookie. Come on out of the way. Over here, honey.
Here you go, Matt.
Do
Okay.
it. But
Yeah.
Throw it with your right hand, Matt.
Get a little closer.
Oh, try again.
Try again, Matt.
Here's another one.
Try
Try
again.
that.
Use your right hand. Use
Here's
this
another
hand.
one.
Use
Yes,
this hand.
and come
There you go.
over.
You
Come a
ready?
little closer. You're too far away.
There you go.
Good
Does he
job.
have one of these yet? Does he have
What do
this?
you get? Want to go get one?
I thought he no.
Nope. Brooke's got one and Peyton's got one. There you go.
Whoa.
Okay, and here's a
Hey,
What is that? Looks like a transformer hand.
game for her too. And there's your card.
honey, wait.
Okay.
Time, okay? Okay, let's go to the next game. What's next?
Okay, fishing.
Fishing. I want to go fishing. Over here, honey.
It's gonna bob him for beers. So
I don't know if there's any fish back there or not, but
Oh,
Where's the fish?
okay, here's one for you. You're gonna have to throw it over. And then all three of you can fish at the same time.
Okay, Maddie, come and get your.
Oh, I just broke the game.
Okay, let's get a
Here you go,
fish.
Brooke. Can you hold and go fishing?
Honey, that's Peyton's.
There you
let's
go.
throw it over there and put a middle
Now
line
wait
in
till
there
wait till
for
the
me.
fish bites.
who's the
And
middle
that's the
one?
other one.
That's Brooke is on this side
Can't
and
you read?
Peyton's on the.
Can't you read the name on the clothes?
Oh no, that. Oh, is that right? Okay.
There's a
Wait, I don't think
clothespin.
that's right though. Hold
There's
on.
names on there.
This one is.
Brian.
Yeah, I know, but that's not right.
You're kidding.
She's holding the one that says Peyton.
Who is? This is Brooke. Oh, I'm sorry. I gave you the
You
right.
gave the wrong one.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
that's
did.
his.
Is Peyton? Is that right?
This is Peyton's right here.
This is yours, honey.
Peyton's?
No, I'm sorry. This is.
Okay.
I
Okay,
forgot
this
I
one's
had
mine.
it. Okay, this one's is yours.
Okay,
Maddie.
Matt, hold your thing.
Okay, wait. Here comes. Oh, come a little closer, sweetheart.
Okay, where's Matthew's?
Come a little
This
closer.
one
There
is
you go.
Maddie's,
That Maddie.
and this one is Brooke's. Yeah, Mama can maybe hold that for you.
Thank you.
Okay. Tell me when there's a fish.
I think there's fish on the line.
Oh, fish on the line.
Pull them over.
Pull, Peyton. Oh! What did you get? You got a fish. You got Nemo. You love Nemo.
Okay, let's go fishing again.
Oh, fishing again? All right.
Gotta go fishing again.
Okay, hold it up, bud. Okay, Dad, here comes. Watch out. You want help?
Yeah.
Here, we gotta wait. I don't want to hit Dad on the head with
Honey, you gotta stand right here.
pole.
No, you can't go back there.
Yeah.
Ricky, hold up.
She has to know all the
Here, I'll put this in your bag.
Okay.
Brookie, grab your pole.
There's another fish, I think. Let's see.
Let's see what we get this time.
I thought it was gonna be more like candy or something, but it's real fish.
This is a big carnival.
I love it.
Yeah, good.
Oops, Brooke, you gotta hold on and wait for your fish.
Yep. Oh, are the fishy there or not?
Not quite.
Not quite.
Where are all the fish?
Yeah, I was gonna say.
They're not biting yet.
Okay, they're biting.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
I see a merman behind the curtain.
Okay, we'll go fishing again a little later.
Okay. All right, let's lay it down.
Yeah, what'd you get? Awesome. Isn't this fun?
Okay, what's next?
Okay, here's.
Okay, this is the next game.
This is kind of an.
Brookie, don't.
I'm good for now. Good for now.
Who wants to eat first? Who wants to eat? Okay. Ooh, doesn't matter.
Okay, go ahead, Peyton. You can show the other guys how to do it. Peyton,
Okay,
Brooke,
this
here,
is
watch.
a rock that we
Oh, over there.
Close
Okay,
pin
never
in
mind.
that.
She's got
So you kneel on there.
Oh, you kneel.
Okay, and you see. You try to get him in the bottle.
Holes this morning.
Oh, close.
604 tea time.
Todd, are you getting a couple pictures?
Oh, try again.
My brother, dad, and my next door neighbor.
Okay.
Oh, I got 6. But you haven't gotten any yet, so you can take one of these small prizes. Okay. You have to have other people start too, though.
Yeah, yeah. What?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Oh, she's got more to do?
Oh, go. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You get one, you get something big. Oh,
Oh, okay. Maddie's
I already
turn.
got one of those. Okay.
Come here, Matt.
Blow the horn, Peyton.
Come on,
Here, Matt.
Maddie. You can do it. I know you can do it, Maddie.
Okay.
Brookie, watch what you have to do.
Try. Try it again.
All right, man.
You got a big one and a little one.
All right.
Here's a little one. Take one of those.
Attaboy, look at that.
And one of these.
Oh. Okay, Brooke, your turn.
Brooke's
Your turn, honey.
Come on up.
Brooke's turn.
Here, I'll hold that.
Up we go. Good job.
Okay.
I'm probably in the way. Let me get out of the way. Get a shot.
Oh, good try.
Good
Come on,
try.
Brookie.
A little bit over farther. You have to reach out a little. There you go.
There you go. Good job.
All right. Okay, you want to try again?
You did?
We won't do this. Each one of them get one of those too.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, here.
you want to try again or do you just want your prize?
Get more.
You want to try? See if you can make it?
Brooke, get her little
Okay,
one, too.
come on, baby
No,
girl.
here's your little one. Yep.
Okay, hold on.
And now he's getting into
Yeah,
it.
now he's like,
Yeah, I like it. Good job,
Good
Katie.
job, baby girl.
Got it.
Whoa.
Okay, and then they each get to pick one of these.
That way, baby girl.
Brookie, which one do you want?
There you go.
Your parents do this for you every weekend as
No.
growing up?
Arms and everything.
which one?
Wasn't a regular occurrence at the Burncott household.
Not really.
Oh, okay, okay. Hey, you get pink then.
Me either.
What?
Oh, you wanted to throw them
They're
in again?
punch. Okay, you can try to get. They're punch balls. When you blow them up, they.
Blow them up.
So you have to do those like this. And then they, yeah.
Throw a couple up
Well,
on the rope.
sweetheart, you can try again. Of course you can. That was fun. You're all right.
Oh, yeah, I'll take it for you.
Real one.
Okay.
Oh, almost. Try it again. Whoa. Oh, so close, Maddie. You're going to go that way? That's a good idea. Hey, he's got it figured out. Look. Hey. Okay, duck pond.
All right.
Okay.
Actually, several of those.
Okay, let's have Maddie or Brooke first. Okay, you get a pick a duck, and there's a number on the back, and you take a prize out of the bag that has the number.
Not a good look at all.
Okay, can you pick that one? And then we'll take them out. Number 2. Can you take a prize out of number 2?
Take one of these, Brooke.
And then you got number 2. You get a prize out of the same bag that Brooke did.
Okay, here you go, Maddie.
Here's a
And
piece.
then we'll take
What'd you
more.
get, Brooke? What is it?
Hey, Matt, what'd
Hold
you
it up
get,
so I can
buddy?
see it.
Yes, it is.
What'd you get? Another prize?
3 for Patty.
Hey, Matt, can you say thank you to the
All
Carney?
right. Okay. Oh.
I just called your mom a Carney.
Okay, Brookie, you get to try again. Try again, Matt. Try again.
Okay.
I've always wanted a black
And if it's he gets 4, has he had 4 yet?
Nope.
Oh, this is a good prize.
Oh no.
4 is a good one. Okay, we'll put 4 out.
Okay, Brookie.
Pick another one.
I want to get
Look at that, big man.
2. Did you get 2?
Sorry.
She already has.
She already had
Okay,
a 2.
pick another one then. You already have 2.
honey.
1.
1.
Oh,
Okay, give that to Grandma, honey. Give that one to
Pick
Grandma.
which one
Hey,
you
Brooke.
want.
What you got, big man?
Brooke,
Which
honey,
one do you want?
What you got
Which
in your
one?
bag? That's a lot of stuff.
No, she's taking the one I want.
Okay, whose turn?
Whoa, put that in your...
Peyton, yep.
Okay, let me see.
Peyton's only done 1. Hold on a second, Matt. You gotta go pick another
Oh,
one.
4. Oh, she got the good prize.
Yes.
Go,
You
Petey.
want this one or this one?
Maddie, 3 for
They're
Maddie.
the same.
Let's see.
3 for Maddie.
3 for Maddie.
Okay, Brooke.
3.
What do you number
here,
do you
this
need?
is for you.
There you go, big man.
3 for Brooke.
Brooke already has 3.
Matthew.
No, she doesn't.
No, she didn't.
Oh no,
Matthew.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here you go,
Okay.
honey.
Did you get
Who
another?
doesn't have all 4?
Okay. Both of my kids.
Brookie, what is that? I want to see it. Turn it around the other way.
Peyton needs 2.
Oh, a little kitty.
Another one.
Oh wait, you need.
Goodness.
Oh no, you need a 1.
I got
Did you
a
get some
you got a
prizes?
Which one?
Yeah,
Maddie,
you did,
pick another
didn't you?
Okay, Brookie, you need to get a 4. Brookie, get
Okay.
another duck.
Okay.
We'll get the purple one.
Brooke still needs this, doesn't she? Ann?
She's a 4.
A 2.
No, she
You
has
gotta
a 2.
find a
Oh, she has a 2.
Thanks.
You need
Try
a 2.
another
I
one.
need a 2.
She needs a 4.
Try another one.
Try a
That's-
4,
That's
honey.
a 1, isn't it? 3. I bet it's this one hiding over there.
Try that one.
4.
I need a 2.
This is a flashlight, honey. Look at.
I need
Oh,
2.
we love flashlights. Find a 2, Pate.
Ricky likes
Oh, you
flashlights.
still need a 2, huh?
Yep. That's a
Okay,
3.
I'm not taking 30 pictures, so
All right.
I'm not taking 30 pictures.
Oh,
This is
you're
your
getting
big
lots of. I
Brookie,
told
look at
you
me.
you needed loot bags.
I guess
Look at Daddy.
Brookie, look up.
Okay, where next?
Okay, now next is spray away.
Jeez. Well, let's go to the next game, quick. Another game.
Oh, I thought
Okay,
it
we
was
can all play this together.
Oh, they get to play together.
I'm gonna put these up here. Oh, I hope they stay. You're gonna, oh,
Those
is it too tilty?
Here, maybe we can hold it. Okay, back up just a little bit, guys. Back up a little bit. I'll try to help. Like,
Is
boy.
it too windy? Oh no,
Okay.
this is gonna be fun. Okay, grab a squirt gun. Grab a squirt gun. Grab a squirt gun.
Woo! Wait, wait.
And everybody squirt grandma.
Yeah, thanks. And when you squirt at these balls, and when they fall off, you get a prize.
What if you get it 2 times?
Yeah, then you get more prizes. Ooh, here you go. Whoops.
More or bigger?
Here.
Oh, that way, bud. Try again.
Oh!
Good job. Oh,
Okay, come on,
Brookie,
Petey,
squirt
go.
at one.
get one, Brooke. Get one, Brooke. Squirt it.
Down the lower, Petey. There you go, Petey, get
Get it,
one.
get it. I got one.
Get it, Brooke.
Oh, why is
Yeah,
that one
Brookie,
going
go
up?
lower.
Try this
Try
one.
again.
This one's going up too.
That's okay. Try
I think
again,
you have
Brooke.
to
You can do it, honey.
point it the other way.
I got a couple more.
Like this. There you go.
Oh,
Try
put
it
it
again.
down.
Try again. Squeeze. Squeeze. Is she out of water?
Whoa, let's try this one. This one goes straight. Try that one, sweetheart.
I got more water.
It's the way she's holding.
Okay, yeah, you gotta hold it this way. There you go. Now
Okay.
squirt it. There!
Try again.
Almost got it.
Yay, Brookie.
Are the guns part of the prizes?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, they get to take them home.
All right, let's
They
not
get to
put
take
these in
them
the
all.
bags though, because
Here's
they're
for
wet.
you,
So
finger
let's not.
pop it.
Ooh, a finger pop it.
Brookie,
You get one too. Go to grandma.
Go to
This
Grandma.
is Peyton's bag, honey.
And don't put
Brooke?
these in there
Brookie,
wet.
look what Grandma got for you.
Oh yeah, you might want to
Look what
empty
Grandma got for
those.
you,
Yeah.
Brookie.
Okay.
Hey, what you give me, girl?
They are cool. Brooke, what'd you get?
Oh, goodness.
Peyton, where's your guy? I want to empty him.
My guy is
Yeah.
there.
Oh, look at what
And here's one for you.
Look what else you got, a color book.
Okay.
Goodness.
Do you want to squirt one more? There's a big prize left.
I do.
Oh, okay. Here you go, bud. I'm sorry.
Okay, Brookie, here you go.
Okay.
Okay, here, let's move this out of the way so you
Those
can try for your
darn
fingers.
balls.
Brookie,
Here, I'll help.
do you have a squirt gun?
You can hide behind the curtain.
Yeah, maybe if we hold.
You can do that.
Bad. Well, they fall off easy.
How did you think to do this, Mom?
Oh, I went online.
Okay, try it, bud. Squirt it.
Okay.
Give it
Down
to
on the
Matthew.
floor. Try again. It's not working.
Oh, yeah, it's working. Oh, don't lose all the water.
There. You're getting Danny.
Brookie, don't you? Oh,
Okay, whoa.
She's learning quick.
Hey!
Hey, girl.
Brooke, come here.
Brookie, quick! You gotta go squirt the ball.
Come here, get one more, honey.
Go squirt the
Got
ball.
one right for you.
You know that
Girl,
you
you
get
can
that?
do it.
You know you get
Squeeze it.
this
Atta
squirt
girl.
gun to take home?
Oops. There you go. You got it.
know
You
that?
got it.
I know.
Try again. Try again.
Squeeze harder.
Oh, you had it good, just didn't hit it.
There.
Here you go. Which one do you want?
There you go, bud. Let me empty this.
Ricky.
Brooke?
Rookie, you
Right behind you.
can
Bubbles.
pick one.
Okay.
Hey, Maddie. Matthew,
Thank
what do you say?
You're welcome.
Brooke, can you say thank you?
Okay. Oh, I forgot to
Did she get a squirt gun? One of those is hers.
Fun.
I'm empty.
Good, let me
Couple
see
more
you. There's
games.
a couple more games to
A couple
play.
more games? Oh my.
Brookie, there's more games. Put that in your bag.
It's in your bag. The first is the last. The best is the last. So this is the last.
All right.
Hard not to with 55 new brand new toys.
Tell me about it.
I'm getting the water out so you guys can have these.
Yeah.
These are really cute. I know.
Or should we do the tiger
I'm very
toss?
impressed with this.
I
did not
The
think
tiger
that
toss.
I had a whole set of things on here.
Oh, dear.
And
What?
look,
I can't find the balls.
so
Well, there's a box on here, is that it?
No.
You can use the balls from the
Peyton.
water spray?
Peyton,
Oh no, they just stick.